Chris Feldman from Kilwins here at Myrtle Beach. Kilwins was started in 1947 up in Petoskey, Michigan. We are based out of Michigan. We are an old style candy store. We make everything down home right here in the store using copper kettles. We cook our own fudge, we cook our own caramel, make our own chocolate, and we even do our own ice cream. So some of the signature items we do here at Kilwins is we make our own chocolate. Not too many chocolatiers can say that, but Kilwins has been making their own chocolate for the past couple of years now. It's called Bean to Bar. We are fair trade. And some of the items that we do our own creams, we do our own truffles. We even do our signature items, what we call tuddles, which you guys may know as turtles, which is a chocolate, a nut, and a caramel. So some of the things we do here at Kilwins is we actually make our own marshmallows, make our own peanut butter, we actually make our own ice cream. We've been doing that since 1985. We cook everything in a copper kettle. We also make our own gourmet ice cream cakes made with real cake, and it includes our Kilwins original recipe ice cream. Some of our specials that we have is our fudge. We cook a Mackinac Island style fudge, which is a paddle fudge on a table. We run a special all the time here in Myrtle Beach where you buy 2 slices, you get your 3rd slice free. We dip just about anything in chocolate you can imagine, between Oreos, Nutter Butters, rich crackers. We make our own s'mores here. You can think of it, we could probably just dip at anything in chocolate. We do everything in white chocolate, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate. Kilwins, where it is sweet in every sense since 1947, and we're right here at Kilwins in Myrtle Beach, located at Broadway at the beach.